on Storyboard, we are catching up with Sapna Chadda, marketing head Google India and Southeast Asia, on how Google helped SMBs grow during the lockdown and during this festive period. And we also have Manish Dubey, Chief Marketing Officer, ICICI Prudential, speaking about their new campaign. Plus, we have some interesting campaigns lined up on this week's notice board. Hello and welcome to Storyboard. This is Shivani Haran. A lot has changed for businesses over the past couple of months, and what really emerged during this tough time was these local kirana stores, small businesses and their digital presence. So today we are catching up with Sapna Chadda, marketing head Google India and Southeast Asia, about how Google has helped these SMBs during the COVID times, during the lockdown, and also this festive season.
Hi Sapna, welcome to CNBC TV 18. Many thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Sapna, we are coming out of a lockdown and we are in the thick of the festive season. We just got done with Diwali. Now we have Christmas and New Year coming up. Now, every big brand was impacted during the lockdown, whether it was due to the disruption in the distribution and the supply chain or their manufacturing. What really had to step up their game, what really, emerged were the local businesses and the local kirana stores and small businesses during the pandemic. How has Google helped these small businesses grow in terms of, getting more visibility for their business, or providing them with the products and tools to help them come online, digitize and maintain business continuity?
And what we saw was that customers were increasingly turning online, obviously, for obvious reasons. Businesses were digitizing at an accelerated pace, but what we realized was that they needed more support and they needed more solutions from us. And so at Google, we've been working to provide various products to our SMB partners, helping them unlock the full potential of their business and helping them really get into festive season. So we've done three things during this time. One, we realized that SMBs needed help to digitize. Every business is different and they needed different kinds of support for going digital. So we made it important changes to what we call Google My Business. It's a free listing app, where SMBs can get discovered across maps and search. And we enabled this for them to be able to get a free listing on Google. And we also partnered and collaborated with tech players such as Zoho, Instamojo, Dunzo, and Swiggy to bring solutions to these businesses and support their digital enablement journey as well. We've put this all under what we call the Grow with Google program. And Grow with Google is our efforts to really help businesses grow through the power of technology. But we realized we can't do this on our own, just as Google. And so that's why working with Zoho to help businesses build their presence online, with Instamojo to help them with payment solutions, with Dunzo, with delivery, et cetera. And we realized that this was critical. We also saw some incredible outreach around businesses wanting to get trained in digital. We saw that training and skilling was an important need, and we actually saw a 350% increase in outreach from businesses asking us to help them with skills. So we have a program called Digital Unlocked, and we saw 11x growth, what we had previously seen around businesses asking us, help us with skills, help us to understand digital, what do I do in terms of social, et cetera. And it's really interesting to see how much we didn't have to reach out to small businesses. They were reaching out for help, which was exciting. Finally, we also realized that we needed to show support for small businesses. They've gone through so much. It's a critical need of the hour. SMBs need support, they need strength, they need confidence. And so we launched a nationwide initiative across India called Make Small Strong. We realized stronger small businesses equals stronger communities equals stronger economy. And the campaign is a call to action for everyone across India to support small businesses and to buy local, to leave ratings, to review small businesses, promote their favorite small businesses, choose small businesses and tagging them on social media and showing people that we really all need to make a choice to help our SMBs be stronger during this time. It's really in the hands of consumers to make a choice to make SMBs strong. So that's why we've created Make Small Strong.
Right. Sapna, with all these initiatives, how did you communicate this to the businesses? Tell us about the campaigns that Google ran during the lockdown.
Yeah. So one is, we've communicate with businesses that are our customers, as part of our customer communications. That's obvious and evident. But we realized that there was a need for us to look at new channels. So Namaste Digital, for example, that's launched just recently. It's with Prasar Bharati. It airs every Saturday night on Doordarshan News across Hindi and English. Because, I think ultimately we realize as we need strong partnerships. So whether with Danik Bhaskar and Danik Jagran, as well as with Prasar Bharati, we form partnerships that will help to get the information that's needed across small businesses through a variety of medium. So TV, we've used internet and digital, we've had online classes that we've done for SMBs, we've done outreach through direct contact as well. But also through the inspiration of Make Small Strong, we've had a lot of media partnerships across the board. We've partnered with Your Story, we've partnered with Danik Jagran, as well as many other groups such as FICCI, because we realize ultimately the whole community and the industry needs to work together for this to come together and to collaborate in order to have an impact.
Sapna, Google India did 2 reports with Kantar on the impact of the pandemic on businesses. Tell us about the key findings and the research from the reports, and what are the challenges that the businesses faced or still continue to face?
Biggest concern for businesses continue to be customer-related issues, lower demand, coupled with concerns around payments of fixed cost. And some key findings of our report was that the pandemic has had a widespread negative impact. Nearly 1 in 4 businesses worry they may have to shut down their business altogether. We've seen that the biggest and immediate cause of concern has been around the lower customer demand. 92% reported customer-related challenges, while workforce-related issues have reduced to some extent. But customers is the need of the hour. That's why we created the Make Small Strong initiative, because we realize that customers and flow of customers is the most important thing that we can do to really help small businesses. That said, most businesses are realizing the advantages of digital. 52% of surveyed small businesses have stated that the internet is helpful to acquire new customers. This was a change from it being in the mid-30s previously. So there's a stated intent and expectation that the internet will help during this time. And we're also seeing that MSMEs are seeking help and support from the industry, from companies like ours. 5 out of 10 small businesses said that they are actively seeking support. And I mentioned that we're seeing, the outreach and requests for training and the outreach and requests for learning tools, information that can help them grow during this time. It's the need of the hour. But like I said, as Google, we realize that this is not up to just us, and we'll need to work across many partners. And we've been really motivated by the outreach and support that we've seen from so many groups across India, professional, news, media, and partners in the space.
Right. Sapna, you mentioned that 52% people realize the importance of internet to get business. Now, in this era of digital marketing, where digital has gained so much of importance, especially post-COVID, what is the spike that you saw in digital marketing spends vis-a-vis the pre-COVID era, and the adoption of social media as a marketing tool as compared to pre-COVID? And is this trend likely to continue, or is this very COVID-induced?
It's a great question. I think consumer behavior has been rapidly changing to online first by both necessity as well as convenience. And while the sense of urgency to acquire a new product isn't a new trend, the extent to which it's accelerated has been extremely palpable. We've seen search queries really increase and see unprecedented boost during this time. And we don't think it's a trend that's going away. we see that small businesses are catching up fast, and we see that businesses are using the internet in newer ways. And I think this innovation mindset that we've seen of businesses figuring out how to operate in this new normal means that it's not something that will go away. That said, the trends are across different verticals, different trajectories across different parts of the business. For example, in remote service and delivery, we're seeing a step change, a huge change in terms of behavior, and we're seeing the same thing in e-commerce. But not all industries will see the same amount of step change and acceleration of this trend. But we are expecting that how small businesses continue to digitize and engage with their customers online is something that is a trend that's here to stay. And we realize that the innovation and the jugaad that small businesses in India have exhibited during this time, it's a learning, it's a wake-up call, it's a new way and a new normal that we expect to continue.
Finally, Sapna, you've introduced some new features and functionalities across Google Play and Google Maps to help small businesses digitize and grow. Tell us about these features and how have these features helped these businesses?
So what we've done is in Google Pay, we've rolled out a feature called Nearby Stores. This helps local businesses get discovered by customers in their vicinity. Merchant establishments can indicate business hours, whether social distancing measures are in place, and the essential goods that they have in stock. And so, this has been launched nationally, and you can see the Nearby Stores feature on Google Pay and get information around businesses. We've also seen that businesses can stand out on Google Maps, share information about their new hours, how they are dealing with the times, any special offers or promotions. So we've rolled out what we call promoted pins. It helps businesses stand out during the lockdown months by displaying these pins, and what business owners can do. They can highlight their services, like do they have pickup, do they have delivery, do they have other unique offerings to make shopping convenient. And then the last thing, obviously, we've had to look at remote working and collaboration tools that we're offering for free. And so we're giving remote working and working from home, this is the new reality. And so we announced free availability of our premium video meeting features as well.
All right, Sapna, thank you so much for joining us.
Great. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
It is time for us to take a short break. On the other side of this break, we are catching up with Manish Dubey, Chief Marketing Officer, ICICI Prudential Life, about their new campaign. And also, we have some pretty interesting stuff lined up on this week's notice board.